Chapter 4, Part 2. We're going to start at the bottom of page 37 with lane use signs. Signs showing which lanes may be used to turn or go straight are mounted above the lane or at the side of the lane before the intersection. If you are in a designated lane, you must follow the direction indicated by the arrows. You may not move into or out of a designated lane while you are in an intersection. This one indicates turn left only. Continue straight only. Going through or turn left. Going through or turn right. Vehicles from both directions must turn left. No through traffic allowed. Both vehicles in both these lanes must turn left. Turn control signs. Turn control signs are mounted directly above the intersection. You must follow the direction of the arrow. Turn left only. Go straight only. No turns. Turn right or left only. No right turns during posted times. Parking signs. Parking signs let you know where and when you are allowed to park. You may receive fines or your vehicle may be towed or both if you park illegally. Time-limited parking during posted times. No parking here. Parking is not allowed during posted times. Parking only for vehicles displaying the disabled parking sign and carrying a person with disabilities. Reserved lane signs. A white diamond painted on the road surface marks reserved lanes. Reserved lane signs are also placed over or beside lanes that are reserved for certain vehicles, such as buses or high occupancy vehicles, HOVs. Other HOV signs may give additional information on who may use the HOV lane. The first, only buses in this lane. Only buses and HOVs in this lane may show how many people must be in the HOV. This one indicates 3 people. Curb lane of the cross street ahead is reserved lane. Warning signs. Most warning signs are yellow and diamond-shaped. They warn of possible hazards ahead. Winding road ahead. Hidden side road ahead. Sharp curve ahead, slow down to suggested speed. Curve ahead, slow down. Merging traffic ahead. Road merges with another road. Added lane to the right ahead. Right lane ends ahead. Divided highway ends ahead. Keep right. Two-way traffic ahead. Road narrows ahead. Narrow structure ahead, often a bridge. Bump or rough road ahead. A road may be slippery ahead. Steep hill ahead, slow down. Stop sign ahead. Roundabout ahead. Signal lights ahead. Signal lights ahead. Prepare to stop when lights are flashing. Pedestrian crosswalk ahead. School crosswalk ahead. This sign is fluorescent yellow-green. Bus stop ahead. That's a school bus stop ahead. Cyclists may be on the roadway. Fire truck entrance ahead. Truck crossing ahead. Recommended exit speed. Drive slower in poor conditions. Pavement ends ahead. Hazard or danger ahead. Turn right or left. Watch for deer ahead. Opening bridge ahead. Watch for rocks on the road ahead. Tunnel ahead. Remove sunglasses. Snow shed ahead. Use headlights ahead. Object markers. Pay special attention to object markers. They are mounted on obstructions. Obstruction, keep right or left. Obstruction, keep right. Obstruction, keep left. Construction signs. These signs warn of construction and maintenance work. You must pay attention to the warnings and obey the instructions on these signs. Obey traffic control persons. Travel within the posted speed, stay well back from all equipment, and pass only when it is safe. Detour ahead. Soft shoulder ahead, stay off. Construction ahead. Traffic control person ahead. Crew working, obey posted speed limit. Survey crew, obey posted speed limit. End of construction zone speed limit. Fine notice for speeding in a work zone. Follow the lighted arrow. Blasting ahead, follow the instructions on sign. Information and destination signs. These signs give information about destinations, route numbers, and facilities. Here are a few examples. Destination sign. Distances are in kilometers. Direction sign. Trans-Canada Highway route marker. Primary highway marker sign. Hospital nearby. Gas available ahead. Accommodation ahead. Visitor info in 2 kilometers. Travel information ahead. Railway signs. Public railway and highway crossings are indicated with signs or pavement markings and may also have mechanical or electrical warning devices for your protection. Watch for them and remember you must always yield to trains. Railway crossing ahead. Be prepared to stop. Railway crossing on side road ahead. Be prepared to stop. Railway crossing. Stop, then proceed when it is safe. Railway crossing. Stay stopped until the gate is fully raised. Signals. Lighted signals are a way of controlling traffic flow. Lane control signals. Lane control signals are placed over the lanes to indicate which ones are open for driving and riding. Do not drive in this lane with a red light. With a yellow light, move out of this lane into a lane with a green arrow. If the lane control signals over all of the lanes are flashing yellow, slow down and proceed with caution. The one with the green light, drive in this lane. Traffic lights. Traffic lights are used to help organize the flow of traffic. Generally, the red light means stop, the yellow light means caution, and the green light means go. These signals can have slightly different meanings if they are flashing or if they are shaped as arrows rather than circles. In some places, green arrows may flash. In others, they may not. Steady red. Stop. After coming to a full stop, you may turn right or turn left onto a one-way street unless a sign forbids it. Steady green. Continue if the intersection is clear. Steady yellow. Slow down and stop before the intersection unless you can't safely stop in the time. Flashing red. Stop, then continue only when it is safe. Flashing green. Pedestrian control light. Go only if the intersection is clear. Flashing yellow. Slow down and proceed with caution. Green arrow. Turn in the direction of the arrow. Green arrow. No turn permitted. Go straight through only. Flashing green arrow with a steady green light. You may turn in the direction of the arrow or proceed. Flashing green arrow. Then a flashing green arrow with a steady red light. Turn left allowed. Through traffic must stop for red light. Yellow arrow. Advanced left turn signal is about to change. Slow down and stop before the intersection unless you can't safely stop in time. Transit priority signal. Steady white rectangular light. Only buses may go ahead on this signal. Road markings. Road markings give you warnings or direction. They are painted on the roadway, curbs, or other surfaces. It's illegal to drive over freshly painted, wet pavement markings. Yellow lines. Yellow lines divide traffic in opposite directions. If there's a yellow line on your left, there will be traffic coming towards you on the other side of that yellow line. Broken line. Passing is allowed when safe. Broken line and solid line. You may pass only when it is safe and the broken line is on your side. Solid, double solid line. No passing allowed. Single yellow line. Passing is allowed with extra caution. Double broken yellow line. Lane is reversible. Lane control signal will show whether you may use this lane. Two-way left turn lane. Drivers traveling in opposite directions share this lane for left turns. Markings may be reversed. Solid lines inside the broken lines. White lines. White lines are used to separate traffic moving in the same direction. White lines also mark crosswalks, stopping positions, and the right shoulder of highways. Solid line. Do not change lanes. Broken line. Lane changing is allowed when safe. Stop line. Stop before this line. Pedestrian crosswalk. Stop for the pedestrians on the crosswalk. Pedestrian crosswalk. Stop for the pedestrians in the crosswalk. Pedestrian activated crosswalk with illuminated lights in pavement. Stop for pedestrians in the crosswalk. Reserved lane markings. These markings are set off lanes for HOVs, buses, and bicycles. HOV lanes are marked with thick, solid, or broken lines and white diamond symbols. Reserved lane. The additional signs or markings which vehicles are allowed.